Do not think you are what circumstance names you, nor what the world imposes. You are only what you dare to embrace. Every reflection, every role, every title is but the shadow of the self you claim. I will not give you answers, but questions, so that you may know whether you live as the one true or as the one lost. The dawn reveals the self you carry into life. When you open your eyes, did you collapse back into the old form, or rise into the self you affirmed yesterday? As the day began, did you murmur, "I cannot," or did you feel, "I can"? Did you step into the morning as the doubting one, or as the established self? The mirror discloses not face, but concept. When you looked in the mirror, did you see a stranger, or the self you desire? Did your face show only lack, or did it show possibility? Did the reflection pull you into doubt, or confirm your conviction? The name you answer to is prophecy. When your name was spoken, did it echo the image others gave you, or the self you have chosen? Did your name sound hollow, or did it carry weight? Did it shrink you, or did it lift you? You are never the title given, but the essence embraced. Did you live today as the self handed to you by others, or as the one you determined? Were you pulled by their opinions, or did you restore the image you envisioned? Did you resign saying, "This is just who I am," or did you declare, "This is who I will be"? Roles are garments. Being is the wearer. In the roles of worker, parent, or friend, did your true self vanish or remain? Did you slip back into the old nature the situation demanded, or hold to your imagined character? Were you dragged by the role, or did you command it? Solitude unveils the measure of your being. When no one was watching, did you lose yourself, or stand firm in who you are? Did you whisper, "I am not worthy," or did you proclaim, "I am worthy"? In the silence, did you fall back into the past self, or reclaim the one you truly desire? Night seals the self you will encounter in dream. At the close of this day, did you feel forgotten or remembered? As you lay down, were you filled with fear or with assurance? Into your dreams, do you carry the wavering self, or the being you have enthroned?